Hey, I picked up this larger mailbox here. I get a lot of packages, so I wanted something a little bit bigger. I didn't want something too huge, but this is definitely bigger than the previous mailbox that I had. This is approved by the Postmaster General. I don't know what that means, but seems pretty good. There's a nice, well-built metal flag on the side. We'll open it up here. And you can see there's plenty of room for mail and packages. I also really like there's a magnet here. So when you close your door, it'll stay shut. This is a fairly simple design. I think it has a nice look. Now, this post is not included, but this did fit this post that I bought on Amazon. This isn't the true height that this mailbox is going to sit. The post is going to sink down a little bit. But I like the size, I like the design, and this seems very well constructed.